Hi, everyone. Paalam, ma'am, if the mask can be... Ay. Magandang hapon. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Samira Gutok, nakilala nyo noon who ran for the Senate the first time, 2019. I am a neophyte, and I'm very grateful that the Commission on Elections allowed us again, young candidates, to participate sa napaka-landmark po na election 2022 when much of our almost half of the electorate ay kabataan. I came from the youth movement. I worked with the youth and I worked with Action Now, Action Democratico, because many of the youth leaders during quarantine reached out to me. Ang dami pong online. Bilang pong crisis worker, yun pong aking pinanggalingan from the Marawi Siege 2017 to now, lalo pang naigtingan, lalo pang napalakas ang loob. Dahil sa krisis pandemya, I learned that the key lessons are legislation, oversight, transparency, accountability, kinakailangan. I call out to the COMELEC to allow all the candidates from councilor, mayor, governor up to the Senate to appear in all public forums. Alam namin po na it's expensive to reach the minutes of airtime in public. And so in this convention namin sa Action Democratico, I actually appealed for the party to call on COMELEC to provide equal airtime at the time of digital space, at the time of digital time. And I'm sure na nakilala niyo ako because at that time I was with Ocho Diretso. Ocho Diretso ay isang koalisyon ng several parties which included Action Democratico, and I was identified with the Liberal Party. And I owe, and I will continue to publicly claim that I owe much of who I am as a political personality to Vice President Lenny and the Liberal Party. But the Action Democratico reached out at a time ng pandemya, and Yorme being the location, yung Manila, ng almost 10 barangays that are from the southern Philippines. We got to work together on outreach program, humanitarian, and kinakailangan talaga ng displaced persons, stranded persons, monitoring of the stranded persons. And I felt that our closeness on the issue of stranded, displaced, mga manggagawang nawalan ng trabaho, mga teacher na kinakailangan ng gadget, that really resonated with me dahil alam nyo naman, I'm from Marawi. The poorest parts of the country are in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region. To the Muslims in the Philippines, I might not be the first candidate who filed for the Senate, but I came from you in the Islamic Center Quiapo kanina, kaya po ako na late. Pasensya na po. Those who are texting and calling me, na ano rin po ako sa labas because there was a line or I had to go through a waiting para po yung mga kailangan po na requirements to get in. So I'd like to humbly say thank you also to the media for covering this and allowing us to get through to all the relatives na wala akong kasama ngayong relatives. My mother suffered from COVID in February. Together kami, dalawa kami sa bahay sa Marawi. And I think it ingrained in me, ma'am, that the crisis, the guts maybe, the hardship and the suffering, naintindihan ko po yun. Paano matulog sa mga daanan? Because many of us ay dinaanan natin na kagutuman at kahirapan. Thank you very much, and I'm okay to get questions po.
Ma'am, tanong lang.
Hi po.
Kumpleto na ba yung list nyo ng senatorial, yung aksyon? Makukumpleto ba sa palagay mo?
Doon sa kay Mayor Yorme, we took our oath as two of the first senatorials, kami ni Carl Balita nung Monday. At he said he would be welcome to yung mga sinabing pangalan ng media that who would want to join. He's welcome. Action Democratico relies on 5 principles: inclusivity, concern for children, women, vulnerable sectors. Kaya talaga po nag-resonate po sa akin knowing na alam nyo, nanggaling ako sa mga vulnerableng sektor ng kababaihan who are part of the displaced, mga nawala ng bahay, kabuhayan, at kabahayan. So yeah, hindi pa po kumpleto, but in the days to come, we might see. Hi.
Hi po, ma'am. Ma'am, curious lang kami. Siguro more details about why medyo natagalan kayo sa pag-show up today because we saw some pictures na parang alas 3 pala nandito na kayo sa premises ng Sofitel. So,
Yeah.
medyo curious kami kung ano yung exactly naging cause of delay.
I went to the Islamic Center kanina to have a prayer, 1, 2, 3. And I arrived there. And the paperwork na gutok sa Mira on this ay nabaliktad po. So I had to come back and forth and wait for a replacement of the document. So very much, ma'am, very compliant with COMELEC regulations, the strictness and the rigor. As a former NAMFEL volunteer, alam ko po pag isang letra magkamali. So talaga po isang-isa baka nininervous po ako, nagkakabaliktad yung last name naging first name. So napabalik-balik sa headquarters po yung mga papel.
Ma'am,
So it took hours.
Ma'am, how about the antigen test? Nagka-problem po ba? Wala naman.
No, I am thankful po. I survived this COVID at thank you po sa results. I mean, wow, I was waiting for it. Siyempre, nervous ako, di ba? Negative results.
Thank you, ma'am.
How? Dito na. And we pass? We pass po?